Hi guys! So super excited to be back at the Kala Ghoda Festival after a few years. I've been coming here since I was yay high and it's lots of fun. There's lots of art, food, shopping, all that. So let's go. So I've also done a whole Kala Ghoda video. I will link it here. If you're coming here when the festival is not on, there's still lots to do in this place and you get to see all of this lovely stuff every day. So this is the main Kala Ghoda street that you guys have seen in a zillion videos that I've done. They have stalls all along. They've got food stalls, like shopping stuff and all these art installations everywhere. So we're going to take a look. ये साइज का क्या प्राइस है? Oh, these I love.
चप्पल जैसे आम आदमी से बहुत कनेक्टेड है ना,
हाँ,
तो हम लोग ने इसको टैगलाइन भी दिया है, सुख आम आदमी का जॉय। और ये स्लाइड इसमें स्लाइड इसमें है क्योंकि बच्चे लोग स्लाइड करेंगे, क्लाइंब करेंगे, नीचे आएंगे। और जैसे हम बड़े हुए हैं, हमने कहीं ना कहीं क्लाइंब कर रहे हैं, तो जब नीचे आते हैं तब हम उसका मजा नहीं लेते, जब बच्चे मजा लेते हैं।
So it's a chappal slide which is pretty cool. So you get to see lots of lovely art installations. It's an ambassador covered with keyboard.
You feel alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, might break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never like those.
Guys, do you remember the jewelry I bought from Afghanistan? They have a stall here as well. I bought it pre-pandemic from like an exhibit at the museum, but they have the most beautiful stuff. How much is this one for?
Chaser, wanna vibe it to get away. Good times.
How much are these for? 600. 600. And is there a bigger size?
Bigger size.
In the square one, is there a bigger size?
Yeah.
And this is also 600?
700.
Can I get 2 of these? And can you keep it for me and I take it when I'm leaving? Yeah. इसका कितना है price?
300।
और comb?
Comb 150।
गैप वाला है, रात बड़ा नहीं है। छुट्टा है आपके पास? Thank you. Okay, so far I've got 2 dustbins, 1 comb. It's gone well. Buying lots of things I don't need. Hi.
Your content and we're here
Hi.
because of you. We're here from
Oh,
Bangalore,
really?
but we wanted to
Hi. Well, you're on my blog, so say hi.
Sorry.
Not at all. Nice to meet you guys.
I religiously follow your vlogs and your Insta stories and actually talking about Kala Ghoda.
Oh, through the Kala Ghoda video. Oh, well, you must also check out Kolaba, which is next door, which is really nice.
To do that, and it's so amazing when we just spotted you walk through
So
this.
cutely. Okay, we'll just go say hi to you. Okay, we're not going to take
Not at all. Nice to meet you guys. Thank you. Have a good day. So it's mainly this whole street. You come all the way to Lion Gate. There's stalls on either side, installations in the middle, and there's also the central parking lot, which we'll go to last. Something exciting coming to Bombay. From that to this. So earlier they used to kind of have like a stage here in the middle, and this was the amphitheater where you could actually watch like events happening and stuff like that. Now I feel like they've got different locations across South Bombay where they have like different events happening. So this is the main festival, and then you have little offshoots everywhere. So we did this in a mall. I remember when I did this in a mall in China where we were eating ice cream. And they had this jumbotron and we stood there and ate ice cream. Oh, there's such a line for photos. So guys, so far I have my 2 bins, my comb, and I'm in search for more things to buy. I'm gonna try and go sew in. ये कितने का है? 100 का पेड़. I bought from you last time. I have this, the butterfly, and this. We have the prettiest stuffs. So if you're looking for any handloom craft items from across the country, this is the best place to come. It's on for, I think you guys will be watching this on Friday. It's on until Sunday. So if you're in Mumbai, check it out. There is so much stuff.
My daughter's very favorite for you.
Really?
Yeah. She's there.
Hi, your mom has a great eye. She saw me and she said, you must meet my daughter.
I know.
So good to see you all. Thank you. See
Have a
you.
nice day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Are these ruled or blank? All blank? No ruled. So what all do you guys have? There's cushion covers.
There are hot water bottle covers.
And what are these priced at?
These are for 650 per bag.
Okay, I'll get one for my mother-in-law because I know she uses a hot water bottle. Do you have like this kind of a pouch but longer? Because my mom wanted a pouch to put her knitting needles in. Maybe this might fit actually. Or this diagonally you think would fit? So that is 1,100, correct? 6 for 50, 50. Yes, 1,100. My math is not so bad. Oh, it does.
So this is the first
Oh
thing
my god, this is so cute. Thank you guys. That is so sweet.
As soon as we saw you, we were like, we have to give her this.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank
See
you so much.
Bye.
So
All
nice
the
to
best.
meet you. Thank you.
Got it?
Thank you.
You're welcome. There's also a lot of yummy food. We're gonna snack on some. So it's really hot, so we're just getting some coffee. But yeah, there are lots of food options as well.
Shroff Fest.
Oh yeah, that's the little.
Yes, I have sent you a gift of a earring also.
Oh, yes. Thank you so much. Okay, this has been fun. Now, let's see what I got. We are back. Okay, guys, so I bought quite a bit of like random stuff. They have lots and lots and lots of beautiful things to choose from at Kala Ghoda. I just actually bought things that I really need, like dustbins and a comb and some other stuff. Let me show you what I got. Okay, first up we have the lovely girls you saw. This is from Purkal Stri Shakti. There are lots of NGOs that do lots of amazing things. So we got this little pouchy for my mum for her knitting needles. Got this bag, hot water bag holder for my mother-in-law. And they also gave me this really sweet gift for Mars. How cute is that? They were like, this reminded them of Mars. Then we have the wooden comb. Okay, so I don't usually comb my hair a lot, but now that like when I iron it and straighten it and stuff, I like to kind of run a comb through it, and I like to use a wooden comb. So I have one already, but just got an extra one because you can never have enough wooden combs, right? Lots of pretty bracelets. You guys know I'm quite the stacker, so I got like these really pretty bracelets which will get added to my everyday stack. And I also got these really pretty floral bangles. Like, look at how cute they are. They're super cute, and they were not very expensive. Again, orange. You guys know I see orange things and I buy them. So yeah, got these. Then this is from Shape and Shade Studio. I know what this is. This is for Weber. It's actually A cute little kitty cat magnet. Reminded me of Sammy, so got this for our fridge. And last but not the least, we have 2 new dustbins. Ta-da! So guys, I've been going to the Kala Ghoda Festival since I was like a little girl, and every time I've always bought like quirky stuff from there. They have the most amazing things. I haven't put the prices on this haul deliberately because I know a lot of people be like, oh my god, this is so expensive, or you could get it cheaper. I really feel like with craft and art, you can't really put a price to things. Also, just think these artisans have traveled from all across the country and they have to pay for their stalls and all of that. So obviously things will be slightly more expensive. But to just be able to like get everything not under one roof because it's outdoors, but in one space is pretty incredible. And even to just see it, even if you don't want to shop at all, visually the Kala Ghoda Festival is just so beautiful, and it's a must see and must do for everyone. So it's on till Sunday, this Sunday, the 12th of February. If you're in Mumbai, check it out. If you're not in Mumbai, I hope this video kind of gave you a glimpse into the Kala Ghoda Festival. It happens every year in February. Hadn't happened for COVID for a few years now, but we're back, and yeah, it's fun. So guys, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below and tell me what your favorite part of the festival was. See you guys. Bye.